Hey guys, welcome to the channel Taking the Bathroom. The bathroom is the only place you can place your gadgets in peace. On this channel, we do product reviews and also some tutorials. If you want to support my channel, check out my ebook, www.themanisonfire.com. Alright guys, straight to this. Not going to be a long video. For all of you toilet flushers out there, I want to show you exactly how you can advertise your business on Facebook. Now, I did a video about this a couple of weeks ago about how you can use the watch party feature, but I want to show you how you can make a semi professional commercial on Facebook that's definitely gonna garner the attention of people, and you can use your cell phone and some APKs. Now, full disclosure, I have an Android phone, so if you have iOS, you probably can search the partner APKs that I'm going to be referring to in this video. I just want to show you right quick exactly what you need, how you can kind of set it up, and then I'm going to show you my finished product. All right, let's jump into the computer and I'm going to show you exactly what you can get. All right, so here we are at Amazon.com. Now, I'm going to Amazon because this is the place that I shop. I am a Prime member, but you can go to your local Walmart and find some similar things right there. So the first thing you're going to want to do, if you don't have a webcam and you have a nice cell phone, you need some type of device to take video. So I recommend, if you're starting off, just use the cell phone. You don't need all of these fancy cameras. You need a cell phone holder for a tripod. All right, you're going to need a tripod and cell phone holder. So let's see if we can find a combination. Cell phone tripod combo. All right, so we're going through here, and we sort of have one right here for $49. Now, granted, you can find a lot of these things a lot cheaper. I'm just showing you some examples. For example, you can get a cheaper tripod, but right here you need some type of mount. You see that little clip right there? You need some type of clip to hold your cell phone. So you can go to cell phone mount for tripod, and then you will find different little mounts for tripod. That way, if you have an existing tripod, you can see the price can become much cheaper. And then you can search just a tripod, and then you can find the cheapest one you want. Now, because you're using your cell phone, you really don't need a heavy duty one. Now, the one we look at originally was like $49, but if you take the $6 and the $14.99 right here, you can see where you're saving money. So now that you have a tripod and a cell phone mount where you can mount your cell phone up, something to keep it steady, the next thing you want to do is your background. So you want to look for a green screen. All right, so here we have different green screens right here. Now, here's the amazing thing, guys. You can come here and you can buy green screen. You can get like chroma key paint or whatever, or you just can go to Walmart and you can get a green piece of material and just tape it up on your back wall. I know you see like the studio setting, but it's really just a green screen, guys. But again, you can come right here and you can get something a little bit more professional. Now, green screens, you're going to want to watch a couple of videos about how to do your lighting. I recommend, if you're going to do it, get a green screen with some type of holder like this. You see right here, $22. Well, you want something to hold it up. That way you can set it up right by window. The sunlight is coming through, and that way you can be lit and the green screen can be lit, and you don't have to spend a lot of money on lighting. So that's one way you can do it, an easy way, affordable way you can do it. So you got a tripod, you got a cell phone, and you have a green screen. Next thing you want to do is just set up your tripod, your cell phone, stand in front of your green screen, and then you want to write out a script. You want to know exactly what you're going to say. Getting in front of the camera is not easy. Trust me, during the recording of this, I made a lot of mistakes. Even making this little intro, I'm making a lot of mistakes. Guys, don't be afraid to edit. Now that we have rolled down what we wanted to say and we have got our material, we want to go ahead and use a software, perfectly free software, where we can chroma key out or take out the green screen and then put in whatever background we want. So let me show you exactly how you can use a APK or use a cheap program to do that. All right, so here we are, and you can see the only thing I did was I searched green screen editing apps. Now, before I was set up with OBS and my cameras and my lights or whatever, guys, I basically used apps, and one of the things I tried to do was to find like free trials or something like that, or something very cheap. Remember, once you get this video up and running, you can use this video across many platforms, and this video can help you generate money. The first thing I want to do is take you right here to the top best green screens apps for 2019. Now you can see right here they have a list of apps that you can use for green screening, But my number one favorite right here is KinMaster. And the reason why I like KinMaster because it's on Android, at least I believe they have iOS also. On Android, you can do so much for free. They also have the $4.99 a month. Now I recommend that you try out the $4.99 a month. You get more features, and here's something you can use when you're taking advantage of their features.
Hey everyone, my name is Tim.
Right now,
I'm standing in front of this green screen right now, so I can show you how to use the chroma key tool, editing, and choose fill screen for my.
Basically just showing you the workflow and how you can use it. I'm going to link that video in the description below. So now that you have your tripod, now that you have your phone holder, now that you have good lighting, and you have an APK that will help you remove the green screen and put whatever backdrop you want in it, you're ready to go onto Facebook. I say Facebook because you can put longer videos, but you can use this and Snapchat, guys. You can use it and Instagram, as long as you have it customized and optimized to that particular platform. Now I want to show you my final product. It's your boy taking a bathroom, coming to you guys once again, just trying to stir some things up in your toilet flushing minds today. Until next time, peace. Don't forget to subscribe. Stay tuned for the final product. Thank you for your consideration of purchasing. Thank you for your consideration to purchase connected to the source Wi-Fi with the third-party cable option. Thank you for your consideration to purchase connected to the source Wi-Fi with the third-party cable option. Right about now you have a lot of questions. That's why you're watching this video. So we're going to attempt to answer all of your questions. Our company has been blessed to tap into the hotspot movement. Our hotspots connect to AT&T cell towers, producing unlimited, unthrottled, meaning it never slows down, internet. To know if this internet is available in your area or not, that's the simplest test you can perform. Simply grab any cell phone that's connected to an AT&T cell tower, open up the browser, and go to fast.com. That is a simple speed test you can perform to see whether or not our service is compatible in your area. If you receive speeds of 12 and over, we are pretty sure that you will be eligible for our hotspot. What about the prices? We are pleased to announce that we have priced this at a very affordable rate. With our basic package and the third-party cable rider, we can offer $60 for internet and cable. If you want 2 lines of cable, we can offer $90 for internet and cable. Your first month would be $190 for installation, and thereafter $60 or $90 depending on the package you choose. We are super proud of our partnership with this cable company. It is a cable company that produces cable over the air through an APK. This cable company have tons of channels, movies, free pay-per-view, never miss another boxing event, even have a feature called Catch Up. Just in case you missed a show, certain stations have been pre-recorded and you can go back and catch the show that you missed. This is how the cable works. In the description below, we're going to have a link to show you exactly how you can, 1, download the cable on the Fire Stick. If you don't have a Fire Stick, any device with an Android operation system will do, such as an Android TV box, an Android phone, an Android tablet. You only pay for 1 line of service. You cannot watch them simultaneously at the same time. For example, I can start off watching the TV show right here in my home and I have to leave out. When I walk out the house, I can easily open up the application and continue watching the same show as long as no one at home is watching on that one line. Any questions you may have, we will try to include either YouTube videos or links in emails so you can contact us. Thank you for your interest in Connected to the Source. We look forward to serving you soon. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit that notification button so you can be up to date with all of my latest videos.